we're gonna start the muffins. I have the flour here, the salt, the baking powder, and we're just gonna mix this up just till it's incorporated. Okay, we're gonna set this aside, and in our mixer, I'm using the stand mixer. You can use a hand beater, you can even do it by hand. I'm gonna add in our sugar, the butter, which I melted and just let cool so it's completely solidified again, but that's okay because I did not want that hot. And the egg. And we're gonna beat that up on medium speed for just a few minutes. Okay, now that that's real light and fluffy, I am going to add some extract, some almond extract. If you don't like almond extract, you can add vanilla extract. Even since we're going to do orange zest in these, you can even add orange. And almond is very strong, so you just want a little tiny bit. I will have the recipe linked below, guys, just like always. And now I am going to zest some orange to give it real nice orange flavor. I think orange and blueberries go real nice together. So just get the zest. Try not to get any of the white. And this is pretty big, so we probably just need half of that. Okay, so we're gonna add that to our mixture. Just scoop it all in there. This smells divine. You can smell the orange, the oils from the orange. Okay, we're gonna give this a mix. Okay, this is ready. Now we're gonna get our dry ingredients and we're gonna alternate it with our milk a little bit at a time. So I'm gonna add a couple of spoons of the flour and a little bit of the milk. Okay, and then we're gonna give it a mix. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit more and the rest of the milk. And we're going to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Okay, we're going to give that a mix again. Okay, now we're going to add the rest of the flour. Okay, give it a mix. Okay, and that's good. Now I'm going to take it off the beater. Okay guys, here we have the batter. We are going to incorporate the blueberries, and we just want to work those gently because they will break up and you don't want your batter all purple. So I'm just going to mix them real lightly. I hope you can see that. Just like that. And that should be good. Now we're going to make a topping for this. A crumbly topping. Okay, I'm going to set this to the side. And I brought a clear bowl so y'all could see everything clearly here. Okay, we're going to add our sugar, our flour, our cinnamon, and we're going to give this a good mix. And then we are going to add in our butter, okay? Okay, and for this we're going to use the pastry cutter. We're just going to cut this in just roughly. Scrape this, make sure everything is in there. Okay, just like that, you're going to have crumbles. Now, here I have some almonds, and I'm going to put about half of these almonds in here, and then the rest I'll use to top the muffins so you can see them on top. Okay, so I'm going to move this over. Here I have my cupcake tray with my parchment liners. I like to use the parchment ones because they don't stick to the actual muffin, and that just works really well for me. Okay, and then I'm just going to take my largest cookie scooper that I have and just scoop one scoop. We have some room here. You don't want to overfill them because you want some room for your topping. So for the topping, I just get a little spoon and I spoon it on top. And then with these almonds, if you want, so they can be seen, you can stand a few up in the middle. You don't have to, I just, if you want to. Just so they know there's almonds in there, that there's nuts. Okay, and these are going to go into an oven, and I'll be back to show you all the finished product. The muffins are out of the oven. They were in the oven for 32 minutes exactly. And I mean, you have to check your oven because everybody's is different. Some may be higher or lower. You just do the toothpick test and that's it. And I got 15 muffins out of that batter, okay? And I'm going to give you a close-up. I cut one open so you could see. Doesn't that look good? And they're real moist. Real moist and soft. I think you would enjoy that with some coffee or a glass of milk. I think that would be great. Okay guys, that's going to conclude the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and go visit us on Facebook and Instagram at Virtual Kitchen with Laura. The recipe will be linked below in the description box, and if you have any questions about the batter, just leave it in the comments below and I will get back with you. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye.